Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted Snapchat messages or chats or conversations. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can delete some Snapchat messages and then tap on please chat and notification settings, clear from chat feed, and in this time I can choose clear option. And in this time I can see I can delete some Snapchat messages, chats or conversation, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Snapchat messages. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, minimize it and go to my Google Play Store, and then Google Play Store, open it. All deleted messages recovery, please install this app. After install this app and then open it, and in this time I can choose and open Snapchat, and in this I can see my all deleted Snapchat messages, chats or conversation recover or restore in this here, and then open it, and in this I can see my all deleted Snapchat messages and deleted Snapchat call history recover or restore in this here, and then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Snapchat messages or chats or conversation, and easily recover your all deleted Snapchat calls history. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.